The exterior was definitely the worst part of our 240 when we bought it. I really don't know what was going on with the paint. The front bumper was 3 different colors. The rear bumper was fiberglass and it was cracking in many spots. And besides this hole in the trunk, the car is basically rust free, and we patched this up with some fiberglass. So we wet sanded the whole car with 320. I think we're going to scuff the surfaces now with Scotch-Brite and then clean the whole car with a wax and grease remover that we have. But the focus for today is getting primer on. This is kind of just a normal primer. And then we also have a filler primer. I don't remember where it is. So here's the filler primer we have. I thought we were going to do the whole car with this, but this is not going to be enough. We're going to try using some foam rollers actually. We're hoping that's going to work good. I've seen people do this a lot, especially with primer, but it usually requires a good amount of wet sanding after it. So that's the plan for now. So basically after the primer, we rolled on a white paint as well. After it's all dried and cured, we're going to wet sand it pretty well and then go with a wrap for the entire car. From some research we did, it was going to be bad to wrap over what was already on the car before, and then we also didn't want to go down to bare metal. So we ended up getting a KBD body kit, and I know a lot of people will hate on this and say this is a rep body kit, but it looks pretty good, and in the end, we got it to fit pretty well.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Collection Auto Care here. Today we have 240SX. I drove around 6.5 hours with my buddy Dane to pick it up in San Diego. We got some new wheels on it. We have a two-tone at the moment. We're looking for a little yellow wrap. I think we're gonna go Bumblebee style. Gonna get my IG on the side. Gonna hit up Ty Bumblebee, Epic Kiddos on Instagram. If you know him, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get some collabs going, but yeah, like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Wow, she's really crawling out.